Good morning! So, ayan, labas tayo ngayon. So, ayan, good morning! So, I'm going to Taiwan. Ayan, this is the park here in Panlane. Ayan, medyo shaking yung phone ko. So, ayan, so a lot of trees and plants here. Bougainvillea. So, different kinds of plants. So, yan, ang tatatanda na ng puno dito. Oh, ala, horror ang dati. So, yun, may ano to, oh, may squirrel ba to? So, ayan, may squirrel. Ay, so cute, so small. Ay, so cute. Where are you? Oh, so cute. Look. Hello, so cutie. So cutie. So cute. She's busy finding her food and playing. Squirrel. And another squirrel. Oh, there's a lot of squirrel. Ah, so cute, so cute, so cute. Ah, so cute. Ayun oh, para silang daga. Ang cute. Oh, para silang mga daga lang. Ay, so cute. This is the squirrel. Ah, hello, hello, hello. So cutie. So cutie. Ayun, a lot. Oh, there's a lot of squirrel. It's like a mouse. They look like a mouse. Oh, so cute. So cute. A lot. There is also here. So many. Maybe they are finding their food. Ah, so cutie. Here also. There's another one here. And there are so many. Oh, there's another one. Oh, hello, so cutie. Like a mouse. There's a lot, oh. They look like a mouse. There's another one here. There's two. And it's in the side of the fence. So cute. They are so cute. So yan, so marami ditong squirrel. Naghanap sila ng food nila. So medyo wala na kasing ano. Medyo ang lamig kasi ngayon. So pagka kasi winter, medyo gutumin, madaling magutom. So medyo siguro sila nagugutom na din. So I'm on the way in MTR. So buti na lang malapit dito yung MTR, walking distance lang. So ayan. So yeah, we have a lot of trees here. So many trees. They love trees. And also these beautiful trees.